Hi, my name is Morgan, and this is my assistant Taryn, and today we're going to be teaching people the art of walking. Ever since my legs could support my 10-pound body, I've been walking. So I'm pretty much an expert.
Walking is an important everyday function. Normally people should get around 10,000 steps, but they normally get around 3,000 to 4,000. Poor walking habits can lead to headaches and neck problems. And the proper way to walk is to straighten your posture via bone and muscle alignment. Walking requires an alignment of the cervical vertebrae at an exact perpendicular angle with the clavicle. The deltoids must be pulled down and back to ensure maximum posture, while the lateral head of the tricep brachii muscles pull in equal and opposite motion to ensure maximum stability. Walking with engaged vastus lateralis and placed flexor digitorum longus ensures maximum stride quality and length.
All this information may seem complex and difficult to understand, but don't worry. We'll break it down into simple, easy steps.
First thing we're going to talk about is your arms. Your arms should not be kept parallel with your legs, or else you're going to end up looking like Frankenstein's monster. They should not be mirroring each other either. Swing the arm opposite of your front leg towards the anterior side of your body, while the other arm swings towards the posterior side. They should be by your side in a non-exaggerated motion. Again, non-exaggerated. As far as feet go, you should strike the ground with your heel and step heel to toe. When you follow through to your toe, make sure your knees have a casual bend so you can walk with sophisticated style. Your stride depends on the length of your femur. If you're a shorter person with short legs and thus a shorter femur, then your stride should be smaller than someone with long legs and is tall.
There are multiple different ways to walk when it comes to your feet. Many unprofessional walkers walk in these ways. The first way is pigeon-toed. Pigeon-toed walkers walk with their metatarsals angled towards the sagittal line of the body. The next foot position is walking with your legs turned out. This is also known as duck-legged. You've got to be ducking kidding me. People walk like this? They look like their own quack. The correct way to walk is with your feet slightly turned out.
Now on to sway. Your sway should be dependent on how you are walking. If you are mad, your sway would be maybe stiff and bold. If you are happy, then your sway would be cool, calm, and collected. If you're a girl, your sway is typically more petite and sassy. On the other hand, boys typically have a multitude of styles of walking. Some of these include bouncy, longer, and with a stick up their.
The speed, depending on your mood on that time, or if you're in a hurry or not, can depend on how fast that you walk. If you're in a rush, you could speed walk. If you really need to go somewhere and you're a more advanced walker, you could run. Typically, most people earn their walking medal around 20 years of age, but for others, it can take longer.
If you're in fear of walking into someone, just remember this. When you are unsure as to whether the person you are approaching is going left or right, simply freeze in place, decrease your surface area by contracting your pectoral muscles inward with an inward bend to your patellas, and hope that the other person is quick to go around you so that you can minimize your humiliation and be on your way.
When you're walking with other people, it's important not to walk sideways and to walk in a straight line, but not go too fast or too slow.
When walking on a sidewalk, stick to your right, keep your ears open, keep up a good speed, and always look where you're going. When walking in hallways or at a school, you should always be paying attention and do not get distracted.
Where to talk to friends? If you want to talk to friends, do not stop in the middle of the hallway. Please politely go off to the side and talk to your friends. If someone stopped in the middle of the hallway and started talking to their friend, you would be mad.
I'm mad.
In conclusion, walking is like driving. Don't crash into other people. Make sure you're paying attention to where you're walking. And don't walk like you're the only person in the world. And don't be a bitch and walk slow in front of other people.
Thanks for watching. If you want any more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Taryn and Morgan, out.
God, I literally just had it. Man, dang it, I had it.
Sway should be, oh my god, wait, that's one line. The speed, depending on your mood at that time, or if you're in a hurry. Oh, sorry. People earn their
She's horrible.